Hello everyone and welcome to Crafting with Amy. I just received a kit to make, I've always wanted to make one of these. It's the Persian tile by Janie Crowfoot. The kit came from Mary Maxim and it's the, I think it's called Rose Garden. So it comes with the pattern, which I never show myself making anyone else's creations. That's just a big no-no, but I will show my progress as I'm going, just not doing the pattern, but pattern can be purchased, I think, on Ravelry, Etsy, or through the kit. So she partnered, I guess, with Mary Maxim, and these are all the colors. Most of it is Mary Maxim Mellow Spun DK, which is a 3, and I've never used this. I've used Mary Maxim yarn before, but this feels very soft. And what is the color of this? Rose. So it has the appropriate amount to do the whole blanket. But then the green, which is a meadow color, is Premier Anti-Peeling Everyday DK. I have used this and I really like it. So there's the appropriate amount of that to make it. I've got everything here on the kitchen table. And then this is Mellow Spun DK. Each skein has 284 yards. It's 100% acrylic. They also have these kits through, I believe it's Wool Warehouse, but they're not shipping to the U.S. I've gotten kits for like Sophie's Universe and stuff through them before, but I believe the chart is only for the sandalwood colors, so I'm gonna have to figure out the colors. This is Vintage Rose. And then this is Upside Down. Creme. And this one is Spruce. I thought that was gray. Okay. Have I looked at this one yet? Soft Pink. So I will get started on this, and again, I'll show it came in this bag. I'll show my progress, you know, after I make squares or they're kind of motifs, and then you sew them together, and then I'll show the finished product. So again, it is by Janie Crowfoot, and I will see you all in the next video. See ya.